to another spooky mail video. So today I'm opening a very special package from Crystal. I love her Etsy. I love her Instagram. Everything is just so cute. She's such a great artist. So I'm super excited to open this package up. So let's begin. I don't want to give anything too away, but this is a I guess you could say it's kind of ESO theme in a way. But it's definitely gonna be so cute. So here's a cute little packaging that she does. I love the cute little packaging she does. So cute. So her Etsy is the Spook Show Babe design. And then this is her business card. That's what that looks like. How cool. And I also love her Instagram as well. And then, like I said, this is a little note that she has in there. It says, "Thank you very much for supporting my art. This piece was handmade just for you. Please leave this creepy cutie a review. Thanks, Crystal." I love when she does that. It makes it so cute. So I'm super excited to open this. Oh my goodness. She painted the box. I'm going to move the camera a little up. She painted the box, and I was not expecting that. Oh my goodness, look how cute that is. With love. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see that. With love. How freaking cute. She painted this box. And of course you can like reuse this box for anything. You keep jewelry, earrings, whatever. This is so cute. And then of course this matches my necklace. Oh, look how cute that is. I don't know if you guys can see that. And of course she has black confetti in there. I don't know if you guys can see. But this is the necklace. It's like a poison apple. Basically, it's kind of like Disney themed, but I think it's so cute. Legit so dope. She had them in different colors, like for ESO colors, and the orange was the popular color, and it was like selling out so much. And I was gonna get the orange one, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get something different, and I'm gonna get the purple one, because I feel like I would wear the purple one more than the orange one. I feel like, because a lot of people were getting the orange, of course, because you know pumpkins are orange. But I'm like, hey, purple is a Halloween color too. Let me get purple. And plus, I feel like purple will look better with my outfits that I wear. Like, how freaking cute is that? It is made out of clay, I believe. This is what the back looks like. So she doesn't have the back painted, which I kind of wish she did have the back painted. But I think it's very cute. And then it has, I don't know if you guys can see, I'll show you guys in the sun. It has baby blue like lines with orange in them. I think this is so cute. I love her handmade work, and this is just so adorable. I love it. And the box is like to die for. Oh, look. It says Crystal, and it says the date. It said 2/3/2019. So that's probably when she made this. So my camera is not focusing today, but I'll show you guys later again close up. But yeah, I think this is just freaking adorable. So this is the creepy box. I love how she painted this. It is definitely worth the money because you get something extra. Like I said, you can reuse this box for anything. It will make a cute decoration, and it's a shape as an egg too. So make a creepy, cute ESO decoration, and I love it. And then I'm gonna show you guys the inside. So this is what it said, if you guys can't see that. And then here is a black confetti stuff, which I love. She usually does do that. But I love this box so much. To be honest, I actually kind of love the box more than the necklace, just because I'm such a box person and I love these like little stuff like that. So here is the necklace up close. You guys can see the baby blue lining and the orange lines, and it is super creepy and cute. So it's like a poison pumpkin apple. I say pumpkin, but it is so cute. And then this is the back that I was talking about, but the front is very, very cute. And she has Easter eggs now that is shape, well, it has the same design and is shaped like an egg, just like this box. So I know what I will be getting if I can get it. But yeah, make sure you check her out on Instagram. I will link down her Etsy below so you guys can check out her Etsy, and then you can find her Instagram from there. So thank you guys for watching. Hey guys, so I forgot to add this into the video, but I ordered these socks from Etsy as well. And I really wanted to show you guys because they are Popo, so I thought it would be cool to add them in. But here they are. They're just really cute socks. So this is the Etsy, and her Instagram is the same thing. So yeah, I have a sweatshirt. It's like a Ouija cat shaped sweatshirt from her, and it's really cool. And she was having a sale, and I saw these socks before, and I kind of wanted them, so I decided just to get them. But they have little cute cats in them. I'm going to open them up so I can show you guys. Yeah, I thought these were just really cute. I'm really a fan of socks. So, I'm trying to open it with one hand. So, here they are. I'm going to take them out. Oh my goodness, why is the things going to be so hard? Aw, these are so cute. Look at them. So they have the champolette on it, and it says meow. I don't know how you say that. It has a little like glass ball, and it has black cat, a moon, and obviously they have a black cat, so these are super cute. So, I'm gonna unfold them so you guys can see. So they have a little like ripple. I'm not a fan of this, to be honest. Like, I feel like I might want to cut this off, but I might just keep it on because it is kind of cute. So yep, so this is what they look like. Super, super cute. I think these are adorable. Look cute with any outfit that you have. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this clip and the rest of the video. And yeah, make sure you subscribe and like.